How to log in to Zions Bank online banking account. So if you want to log in to Zions Bank online banking account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar you have to search for Zions Bank. And now on the first search you will have www.zionsbank.com. You can click on that and it will take you to the web page or the website. So now to log into your account, you can click on sign in, which is on the upper right corner, and then it will take you to the sign in page. So if you want to sign into your personal account, then you can simply click on personal, or if you want to log into your business account, then you can click on the business, and then if you want to log into your corporate, then you can click on corporate. So I'll be choosing personal, and now you have to enter your username on the first blank, and then you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password and if you forgot your username, then you will have an option which says need help, and then you will get some information about how to reset or recover. And if you want to remember all of these credentials, like if you want to save these credentials to your laptop or your PC, then you can click here so that it will remember next time while you log in. But if you don't want to, then you can unclick it. And now if you remember your password and username, then simply enter it and then click on sign in. And that's it. That's the way to log in or sign into your Zions Bank online account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.